Xiaomi 13T Pro. Alam ko medyo late na tayo, but this phone is packed with a lot of powers. MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus. Meron din siyang 50MP na Leica lens. Supports 120 watts of fast charging, 144Hz na screen refresh rate, and a lot more. Ang ganang 16 1TB na storage is currently priced at $39,999 sa Xiaomi official global store that I'll be linking on the description box below. Sulit nga ba siya for that price? Alamin natin after this quick unboxing. Now, first things first, itong phone na ito looks very nice. Ang ganda ng kanyang design, and it looks a lot like the Redmi K60 Ultra, which has exactly the same specs. Pagdating naman sa design, eksaktong the same na siya, except dito sa kanyang camera, meron siyang camera ring dito na wala sa Redmi K60 Ultra. The rest is exactly the same. So, interchangeable ang kanilang mga cases. So, one thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is that in-screen na kanyang fingerprint scanner, which is very fast din mag-respond to my every single touch. Unlike other Xiaomi flagship, itong phone na ito is flat ang kanyang screen, hindi siya curved edge. So, you don't have to worry much if you're not a curved screen lover. Now, dito sa likod niya is a curved glass back. The only thing na ayaw ko dito sa likod is sobrang glossy ang kanyang finish, like a mirror. So, expect a lot of fingerprints pag hinawakan mo. Sa side niya is plastic frame, and ang harap niya is Corning Gorilla Glass Fine Protection. Masarap mo siyang hawakan, no, to be honest with you. And I like the way it feels on my hand. Magandang grip ko dito, so walang problema. I'm not afraid na malaglag tong phone na ito. And this phone is also IP68 rated, so meaning pwede mo siyang hugasan or malublog. Now, like I said a while ago, this one is being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus. And pagdating sa kanyang Antutu benchmark, it was able to score 147,000 points. Breaking it down, these are what you'll see. Sa 3D mark na Wildlife Extreme Stress Test, okay naman kanyang score, getting a average loop score na 2,800, but ang kanyang stability is just 71%. Ito ang score na i-expect mo dito sa Geekbench na CPU stress test. And ito naman ang score niya sa GPU na test niya. It went on to a good start dito sa thermal throttling test, except na pagdating sa dulo, medyo namula siya. And it throttled to 73% ng kanyang maximum performance. Probably dahil hindi ganun ka-optimize itong chip na ito, that causes itong pag-drop niya pagdating sa dulo. Doing a quick speed test dito sa aking router, okay naman kanyang speed. Nakakasagap naman siya ng Wi-Fi 6, and the connection is not bad. It was able to get a ping of 7 ms, and okay naman ka ng resulta. Now, itong phone na ito has a big battery capacity at 5,000 mAh, and this one can also fast charge up to 120 watts. So, meaning 0 to 100 will take you around mga 20 minutes to finish the full charging cycle. And gusto natin malaman ang kanyang battery life dito sa phone na ito, kayang-kaya naman na mag-last sa 1 whole day, walang problema, based on my 2 weeks na dito sa aking kamay. And ang kanyang battery stress test, it was able to give me a 14 hours plus dito sa battery stress test dito sa PC Mark, which sinet natin sa 50% brightness and 60Hz screen refresh rate. So if you go higher refresh rate, expect that this one will definitely drop. Now, itong phone na ito has a 6.67-inch na AMOLED display with 144Hz screen refresh rate, and ang kanyang maximum brightness is at 2,600 nits. Scrolling on your favorite reels dito, sa shorts, sa YouTube, sa TikTok, definitely sobrang smooth. Dahil sa kanyang 144Hz screen refresh rate, walang problema ang scrolling dito, be it on social media or just simply watching your favorite shorts. So watching videos dito sa Netflix, kayang-kaya na mag-set sa HD. So this one is certified HD ng Netflix. So watching all of your favorite contents dito in HD format is definitely kayang-kaya nito phone na ito. So I did try to watch some videos dito sa YouTube. I would say ang kanyang AMOLED display is good and very bright ang kanyang display at 2,600 nits. So under the direct sunlight is definitely okay. So ang colors dito are vibrant and quite punchy din siya, as well as ang kanyang black is definitely blacker. So So since this one has a stereo speaker, check lang natin kung gaano kalakas pag sinagad natin ang kanyang volume. The volume is not so bad, but hindi siya kasing lakas ng mga Xiaomi flagship na mga 13 and 13 Pro. Now, one good news para sa inyo is that this one is capable of using a eSIM. So it will take away your SIM 2 slot to replace it with a eSIM. So kung meron kayong eSIM like Smart and Globe, you can freely port it over dito sa phone na ito. And I believe that eSIM is the future ng mga telco din. So naglaro naman tayo ng dalawang games dito sa phone na ito, and I played Farlight 84 and Call of Duty Mobile. Both of these games, sinagat natin ang kanyang maximum graphical settings na pwede, and ito ang mga graphical settings na kaya niya, no? And I was able to enjoy itong dalawang game na ito, si Call of Duty Mobile and si Farlight 84. Both of this game was able to let me play. Halos wala akong nafe-feel na frame drops dito on both games. And the game was smooth. And one thing na napansin ko sa kanya, no, is that sobrang responsive ang screen nito. Probably mataas ang touch sampling rate nito. I'm not quite sure kung ilan ang touch sampling rate nito. Wala akong nakita online kung ilan nga ba. Kung meron, I'll be posting on the comment section below para i-update ko kayo. But overall, ang VR matches on both games, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84, is good, and wala akong na-feel na lags or frame drops along the way. That's a guarantee. But pagdating sa init, umabot siya ng roughly mga 43 to 44 degrees Celsius sa Farlight 84. Mas malamig ng konti sa Call of Duty Mobile at around mga 41 to 42. Now, pag-usapan na natin yung camera nito. Itong phone na ito has a Leica lens. 50MP na main camera sensor, 50MP telephoto lens, and 12MP ang kanyang ultra-wide lens. Shooting at to 8K and 24fps, and ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 20MP na shooter which can only shoot up to 1080 and 30fps. Quite low. So guys, pag-usapan na natin ang camera experience ko dito sa phone na ito. So if you look at itong photo na ito on outdoor, you would see na yung mga bato dito is just normal. Now, if you zoom it clearer, makita mo ang ganda ng yung mga details dito sa bato na ito. Craters and all the imperfection dito sa bato, kitang-kita mo. So, sharing to you ang kanyang ultra-wide lens sa shot, I would say na ang ganda ng details na na-capture na dito pagdating sa cloud. And yung building sa likod, no, I'm not quite sure kung bakit medyo namumuti siya konti. And if you look at it dito, it's a little bit clearer pagdating sa kanyang one-time zoom shot. This is the normal lens. Now, if you zoom it a bit further, pagdating sa two-time zoom shot, the building tends to get a little bit more clearer than the one-time zoom and the ultra-wide lens shot. Dahil 50MP ang kanyang telephoto lens, it's probably the reason bakit ang ganda rin ng kanyang zoom shot. It's because meron siya optical lens up to 2x zoom. Now, if you take bokeh shot like this one, ang ganda ng pagka-separation ng foreground and sa background, no, is very nice and very natural. Now, if you take some tall building shots like this one, pag zoom in mo sa mga edges niya, no, sobrang ganda ng cut niya. And pati sa cloud, okay na okay pa rin ang details. Now, if you look at this shot, maganda ang kanyang pag-focus dito sa harap do. And pagdating sa likod, it was able to blur it very beautifully. Now, if you take a look dito naman sa shot na ito, I was a little bit surprised na overall this shot is not so bad, but parang medyo bluish pa rin. Parang pinipilit niya gawing bluish yung sky, even though na medyo pag nakita ko on my naked eye, it's a little bit more grayish. Now, pagdating naman sa mga indoor shot naman na ginawa natin, some of these shots na ginawa natin on Christmas decors, ang ganda ng kanyang pag-separate ng subject and ng kanyang background to. So, kitang-kita mo itong bola dito sa harap. Clear na clear, and exactly the next ball behind it is blur na siya. And the way na pinakita tong photo na ito is that yung blur dito is konting blur, pero pagdating sa dulo, pa-blur siya ng pa-blur, which I like itong effect niya. Taking on some Christmas tree shot, I would say na ang clear ng subject, be it the reindeer here up front or mga Christmas balls dito na nakasabi sa puno. Now, taking tong egg shot natin, clear dito sa subject, pero yung mga foreground na dito na bigas is binlur out niya, and yung background din is binlur out din niya. Ito rin, itong food shot din ito, I would say ang ganda rin ng ganda pagka-render, as well as itong food shot na ito. Now, kung tinignan mo naman itong Christmas decor shot, the one that I love dito sa night shot na ito is that even mandilim sa paligid ko, ang ganda ng pagkakuha niya dito sa snowman na ito. And
this one, itong shot na ito, I would say probably one of the best night shots na nakuha ko dito sa phone na ito. And further taking more night shots, ang ganda ng mga makukuha natin dito sa camera na ito. And my final night shot is itong mga parol. Now, on some other cameras na nagamit ko, pag tinira to sa night shot, nag-o overexpose. But dito sa Xiaomi 13T Pro, it was able to render the way that I want it to be. Now, some outdoor selfie shot, makita natin preserve na preserve yung mga details sa aking mukha. And pagdating naman sa indoor, it was really nice as well. Pati mga pawis ko, kita pa rin. Now, on some occasion, it was able to brighten up even though na medyo hindi ganun kaliwanag sa loob ng coffee shop, but I was still able to get a clear photo like this. Now, pagdating naman sa video using the front-facing camera, pag against the sunlight ka, mapapansin mo na medyo namumuti ang subject. But if ikaw naman nakatapat sa sun, there are times kunti lang naman na mag-overexpose mo yung muka, but kaya naman i-correct ni Xiaomi 13T Pro along the way. And it's only shooting at 1080p and 30, medyo bitin for me. But using my bare hand, it's quite stable. And now using the rear camera, taking this vlog, so if you're against the sunlight, makita mo may konting glare siya, no? Na very noticeable dito sa kanang camera. I'm not quite sure kung bakit ganun. Though tinignan ko naman yung camera lens ko is malinis naman. So pansin mo dito, no? Wala nang sunlight dito, so hindi na siya masyado nag-glare. But the camera quality is good and was able to capture how I want it to be at 4K and 60.
So guys, itong phone na ito, si Xiaomi 13T Pro. I know na it's a final series nito para sa Xiaomi 13 series. And ito rin siguro pahabol nila bago mag-end ng taon. You won't expect na ang T series is as good as yung 13 or 13 Pro or 13 Ultra. But at least you get that flagship feel that you like. Having a Leica lens and of course a feel na mala flagship ang feeling. But is your 39,999 worth it para dito sa phone na ito? Honestly speaking, hindi. Itong phone na ito has exactly the same copy kay Redmi K60 Ultra, which is around mga 8,000 pesos cheaper, which I would highly recommend over this one. Ang downside lang naman nung isa na yun is that it has a lower na camera. Yung main camera niya is the same 50MP, but yung kanyang wala siyang telephoto lens, only 8MP ang kanyang ultra-wide lens and meron siyang macro lens na kasama. But it can shoot great photos almost at par with this one. So I'll be making a comparison between the 13T and the K60 Ultra. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo once na in-upload ko yung comparison na yun. But if you still want to buy this one, I'll be linking on the description box below and I'll see you on the next video. Bye! And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.